Hey there everyone, welcome to Blades and More for my review of this Eafengrow EF910 folding pocket knife. Eafengrow is imported into the United States from China. They make a wide variety of different design folding pocket knives, and this EF910 is a good example of their work. Many of their models, including this one, are budget price ranged, around the $25 price range. Has a lot of nice features and quality for that price range. Features like a D2 stainless steel blade material, G10 handle material, ball bearing pivot, stainless steel liner with liner lock, flipper tab opening, deep carry stainless steel pocket clip, nicely styled and designed handle and blade, nice deep belly on the blade. The Eafengrow EF910 is a nice EDC that offers great style and capabilities. The D2 stainless steel blade material is known for excellent toughness and wear resistance. The ball bearing flipper opening offers for smooth opening deployment. And a stainless steel liner offers great lockup. This piece could be a nice companion for a wide variety of duties like hiking, maybe landscapers, backpackers, anglers, gardeners, and a utility type use, or just for a great EDC for everyday carry. The overall length of the knife is just a little over 8 inches, and the blade length is right around 3.5 inches, and the handle length is about a little over 4.5 inches. The blade width is 1.02 inches, so just a little over an inch, and the blade thickness is 0.157, so has a little thickness to the blade. Knife comes in at a 3.82 ounce weight, so it has just a small amount of heft to it. Feels good in my hand. Nice design on the G10 handle scales that have been lightened along with the stainless steel liner on both sides. First I was a little leery of the holes, but now that I've had this piece for a while, I like the holes. They add some character to the piece. The stainless steel liner and liner lock locks up very nicely. Looks like it locks up to about, I'd say 40%. It's a nice cutaway for the access to the liner lock. It's a tip-up carry design with a deep carry stainless steel pocket clip placed on the right-hand side only. Has a G10 backspacer in the handle, nicely finished, looks nice. The flipper tab has jimping on the flipper tab, and there's jimping on the thumb ramp of the spine of the blade. Has an opening in the blade that might be mistaken for a thumb opening, but it can't be used for that. The cutaway is not deep enough, so it's a flipper tab only opening, and the hole in the blade is just for aesthetics. Great blade design. Comes in at a weight of 3.82 ounces, and with the handle design. Feels great in my large to extra large hand. So there we go, everybody. My quick little review of the Eafengrow EF910 folding pocket knife. I would appreciate if you would leave any comments that you might have in the comments section, questions, concerns, help support the channel. And if you would like the video and to subscribe to the channel by hitting this little button right around here. Okay, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate it. Hope to see you back again soon. All right. Bye now.